Hello students, now we will discuss about a basic term in phonetics, that is minimal pairs. What is minimal pairs? You can see here is a chart. Two words with sounds that differ in only one element. Minimal pairs are those words who are different only in one phoneme. Here we have to ignore letters, alphabet, spellings, and we have to focus on the sound we are making, how we produce the particular word, how we utter it. That pronunciation is important over here. See the words batter, barter, cut, cat, beat, beat, pin, bin, not, note, ban, van, cheap, cheap, then, hard, hard, thin, thing, jot, yacht, cheese, she's, hack, hag, go, woo, especially, sip, ship, sin, thin, said, zed, cab, cap, thing, think. Here the spelling is little bit different, but somehow the pronunciation is little bit similar. Now next move on to another set of examples. Here, regarding our phonology, we have to pay attention to the transcription of the word so we can have the unique standard utterance of that particular word. Here is the first, the t and th sound is written over here, that is phoneme, and tin, tin, thin, thin. These two words are written over here. Check the transcription of the tin, t slash tin slash, and thin. Th sound is there, I sound is there, then n phoneme is there in between the slashes. So regarding thin and thin, in is constant, but the phoneme t and th is different. Likewise, mats and mats, tent and tenth. Only one single phoneme is different and rest are other same. And because of that different phoneme, the whole utterance and the meaning of that particular word is getting different. So without thinking about spelling over here, we are focusing on the pronunciation. And when the two words are appearing similar to us, but they have a different transcription only because of one single phoneme, and the meaning is different, and the pronunciation of the whole word is different, that is called as minimal pairs. As we have discussed, in phonology, minimal pairs are pairs of words or phrases in a particular language, spoken or signed, that differ in only one phonological element, such as phoneme, and have different meanings, called as minimal pairs. Look the examples, line 9. Mild, mind. See the transcription in red color. You will able to understand that two alphabets are similar and only one single phoneme of the alphabet is different. These are the example of the minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are different from phoneme. Pay attention over there. Go through the chart, check the transcription, find out the differences, and the term will be all clear to you. Any questions you can tell me, ask me. Thank you.